Hi everybody, my name is Claire and I'm involved in the operations and communications at SQL BI. I am not Italian, so I'm going to use my hands a little bit in this video just to stay on brand. So part of my job is to ensure that you guys understand what Marco and Alberto are teaching. So it's very exciting for me to see the channel taking off because it means that Marco and Alberto's pronunciation is good, that the subtitles are good, and that the incredible value that these two are providing actually gets through to you. And today is actually the day we celebrate our 25,000 subscribers milestone. Yay! So we must be doing something right. So welcome to all of our new followers and welcome to our older followers that stick with us. By now, you've probably figured out that we're constantly pushing out new tools and new content to support your career and your development through this tough years that we're all going through. So stay tuned. And here's a challenge for you. If each one of you gets 3 of your friends or co-workers to subscribe to this channel, that takes us to 100,000 followers. And for that video, for that milestone video, we're gonna have someone who is Italian. They're gonna get very excited and it's gonna be a lot of fun to watch. So let's try and get there pretty soon, okay?